On the back side of the test, we were looking at some different types of word problems and vocabulary terms that were reviewed. So number 1 is a word problem, so let's read this. At an arcade, it costs 3 tickets to play the basketball game. If Rebecca has 58 tickets, how many times can she play the basketball game? So we can underline our question, and we see some important information, that it's 3 tickets to play, and she has 58 tickets. So with this problem, we're definitely dealing with grouping. We're taking these groupings of 3 and seeing how many times they can fit into 58. So this is a division problem. I'm going to take 58 divided by 3. If I put 58 divided by 3, I can use my division to see that 3 can fit into 5 once, with 2 left over, and I bring down my 8. 3 can fit into 28, a total of 9 times, because 3 times 9 is 27. And I have a remainder of 1. So looking at this problem, I see she can play for a total of 19 times, which is answer A. Now that remainder of 1 comes in for our second question. Our second question says, using the information from problem 1, how many tickets will Rebecca have left after playing the basketball game as many times as possible? So if she plays 19 times, she's really used up 57 tickets. That means she has 1 ticket left over. So for number 2, our answer is E, 1 ticket. For number 3, it says, what is the remainder in 65 divided by 3? Well, if we put 65 divided by 3 into our division, for long division, we see that 3 can fit into 6 twice, because 2 times 3 is 6. My next step is to subtract, and then bring down. Now I repeat again, asking this time, how many 3 times 3 can fit into 5? 3 can fit into 5 only once, and we see that there's 2 left over. That means that we have 21 remainder of 2 as our answer. And since they are asking what is the remainder in 65 divided by 3, our answer is C, 2. Number 4 says that the 4th grade class is going on a field trip and there are 90 students in all. It says that each van can seat 8 students, so how many vans will be needed? So this, once again, we can underline our question, which is how many vans are needed. And our important information is there are 90 total students, and that each van can sit 8 students. So this is a grouping, once again, where we're trying to see how many groups of 8 will fit so that our 90 students can be seated in the vans. So we want to take 90 divided by 8. So when I set up 90 divided by 8, I will have 90 in the division house and 8 as our divisor. 8 can fit into 9 once because 1 times 8 is 8. When I subtract, I see that I have 1 remaining, and I bring down the 0. How many times can 8 fit into 10? 8 can fit into 10 only once, because 1 times 8 is 8. And I see that I have 2 left over. Now let's see what this problem was talking about. What we have is we want to see how many vans will be needed. So we need 11 remainder of 2 vans. Basically, this is saying there's going to be 2 students left over without a van, unless we round up. So for this problem, we need to have 1 more van than 11, which would make 12 total vans. Our answer to 4 is D.